today, Deborah?
Today is Friday. I had my results Monday, so...
Yeah, so we've come out for a little walk, done a flask, nice sunny day, and we're now walking from our marina, Aqueduct Marina, up towards Venetian Marina, and there was the moorings that we stayed on with the picnic benches. We're just going to walk up there, sit down, have our cup of tea, and give you guys an update. Something about flask tea I absolutely love. Right, so...
Oh, pass me mine.
Oh, sorry, darling.
Thank you.
I'll let Deb do the talking. I normally talk over her, but I think it's about time she got to have a say, so I'll shut up.
Yeah, so I got my results Monday morning. We got there at 9 o'clock. I was seen quite quickly actually, and I was really pleased that they let Mark come in with me. We was a bit worried about that because of lockdown, but he was allowed, which put me on edge a little bit because obviously they're not normally. And then I was seeing a different surgeon, and the nurse seemed very nice.
I mean, we discussed this afterwards. We were both, well, terrified at that moment. Yeah, different nurse, different doctor, and one come in and one wouldn't say anything till the other was there. So we was a little
bit worried that the news was going to be not what we wanted to hear. But the doctor was lovely, and she said they got the tumour out, the size of it. Yeah,
it was 22 mils, 2.2 centimetres. And then obviously they take margins around that, and the margins were clear.
Yeah, and they took one lymph node, and that was clear as well. So basically they got everything, and it was brilliant.
Yeah, by this time I had a very soggy face mask because tears were just...
We were elated.
Streaming down her face. Yeah. And then KTR, or
Macmillan nurse, she's our Macmillan nurse, come in and was really pleased as well. I do have what they call a hematoma on my this part of my breast, due to me.
As I mentioned in last week's video, she was swinging the girls about too much doing the hoovering.
I've got this lump that is in it's all blood. So we're waiting for that to disperse, and I am being very good, not doing too much, and we're just now waiting for the oncologist to call with an appointment and then get my chemo treatment underway.
Yeah, and Monday it was such a bizarre day. The feeling of relief and elation and my God, we was on such a high, but
so happy, and then all of a sudden I just went downhill, and I just felt so sad, and I don't know why, but I just cried and cried and cried. It was awful.
Pair of us, all Friday evening. I think cried herself to sleep, and I think it was just the realisation of, although it's gone, you've now got
what's next.
Yeah, 5 months of. Chemotherapy and radiotherapy, which is some of the side effects I wasn't aware of, and a lot of other people aren't aware of. You hear of the normal things, the hair loss and obviously sickness and bits and pieces, but all the other crazy things.
Make your nails go a little bit funny, and you can lose some of your nails.
Fingernails and toenails.
Worst case scenario, obviously. But lots of other bits and pieces, and I just thought to myself, oh my God, that is one hell of a road. But viewers and subscribers, etc., have got in touch and have made me feel so good. Come up with a lot of ideas to help going through your chemo, little bits and pieces that will help you. And the support there is just unbelievable. And today is Friday, and I feel so much better today.
Just noticed you got the outline of your muff.
Oh, that's your muff, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we thought we'd come out for a walk and then give you all a heads up of what's happening. It's a lovely sunny day.
Yeah. I don't think we're going to make it all the way to Venetian Marina, so sorry, David, but you're probably at work anyway.
Yeah. another day maybe, and we'll stop for a cup of tea, sit on his well deck and have a cup of tea.
Yes, yeah.
You know, social distancing and all that. But yeah, we're 1 week into the lockdown as well.
Yeah, 1 week and 1 day. And it's been great. The marina, there's quite a few people who daft enough to watch our channel who are in the marina, so they've come up and offered help and lifts here and there.
Mark got a lift yesterday with Alfie to go to the vet for Alfie's inoculations.
So thanks for that, Mick. But that was like favour for a favour. Mick's Land Rover broke down just on the driveway outside our boat, and it was an electrical fault. I managed to diagnose and fix that.
There is nothing what this guy can't do.
Yeah. So you know, he said, "What are you?" Well, I don't want any money. Just run us down to the vets.
That was lovely,
saved on the taxi fare. Yeah, so I think that's about it, really.
Yeah.
Yeah, not so much a vlog as an update.
Just an update.
Yeah, we was going to do this sooner. We'd again just been.
But we're doing great.
Yeah, a little bit brain fog.
Yeah. It's and I do have those type of days as well still, but like I said today, I mean, I haven't been out of the boat for 3 days, and I thought today I must make the effort. So
the car we've bought should have been delivered today, but they done the PDI check and there was a water leak on one of the hoses, so we're not going to get that till Tuesday.
But
I'd
Wednesday.
arranged all my Amazon deliveries to be delivered to a post office in Nantwich today, so I've got to see if I can cadge a lift into Nantwich to the post office to pick those up. So we'll get back to a normal type of vlog next week or the week after.
So thank you for your comments and your support.
It's
brilliant.
been
it's
brilliant.
Well appreciated.
Yeah. Lots of other stories you've shared with us, people who you've either gone through yourself or you know friends or relatives have gone through the same thing.
It helps me so much.
Yeah,
it really does.
It's took us from there right up to there. So no, that has been brilliant. So see you all in a week or two.
Bye.